twisted boy and the mad hat flows to the boneyard circus of the unknown. A dark and terrible story I will tell of a nightmare that I saw before my eyes.
What sorcery is this? This is so weird, it must be true. Anong ginagawa namin sa gitna ng kalye? In the middle of the night?
A grotesque monster who called himself a god ran a terrible circus of the mad. This mad-hatted character also had a son whose cage till things were done. The freakish boy made the crowd laugh and cheer, while his father made more money each year.
Sinong kinakatakutan namin dito? Bakit kami nagpapanik? Anong paranoia to? Sino mahabol sa amin? Bakit kami tumatakbo? Anong sumpa ito? I must be dreaming. Kailangan mo gumising, Boyet. Ano bang klaseng episode to? This is absurd. Hindi na nakakatawa to.
As the boy is filled with rage, in his fury he breaks out of his cage.
Nasaan na sila? Mga repa, nasaan na kayo? Paano nga ba kami napunta dito? Fuck! 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 Fuck!
Go away, scary monster, go away.
Go away!
Go away, scary monster, go away.
Go away!
Go away, scary monster, go away. Scary monster, go away. Scary monster, go away.
Go